everybody. Today we're going to make honey slime for Rosh Hashanah. And I have my two helpers, Lanai, say hi, and Kai, say hi. Great. So first we're going to start with the ingredients. We have 1 cup of hot water. Show them. Good. And we have a 1/4 cup of temperature water, room temperature water. We have 3 bowls. We have some honey buttons. You can zoom in. You want to zoom in on the honey button? We have a bunch of them. See? We have food coloring. We have a brown one and a gold one. Can you open this? We have glitter. The shades of gold and brown. More glitter and more glitter. We have, and this is the most important one, this is the slime activator. It's called borax, and I got it with an apple flavor. And we have clear glue, and they're asking for 1.5 ounces. So this bottle is 125, and I'm going to add a drop of the clear glue into it. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. So first, I need you to take one of the plastic containers. So put one of the plastic containers in the middle. One of them. Good.
Why can we?
One of the plastic containers in the middle. And now we need to pour inside the 1 cup of hot water and stir it
All of it?
with 1 cup of hot water, and take this spoon, and we're going to take the slime activator, the borax, and I'm going to do this one. We're going to put only 1/3 of the teaspoon. This is what gets everything stick together. Okay, 1/3 of it. Mix it. Now, in a separate plastic container, Kai, take another plastic container. Put the entire bottle of glue. So this is the bottle. Open the whole thing and put it in. And the 1/4, after you're done with that, good. Add the room temperature water. And I'm going to add a little bit more because they're asking 1.5, and this is just 125. Okay, now add the water. We have our barking dogs in the back, but that's okay.
Mix.
Wait. Squeeze everything out. Okay. Now add the glitter. So I'm going to give Kai, you're going to add this glitter, and Lana, you're going to add this glitter to the over there. Yep. Add the glitter into the glue mixed container. And now we need to add some food coloring to get the perfect honey color. And we are only going to use a few drops. Put more glitter, more. Don't be, Be very generous with the glitter. The more glitter you put, the shinier it's going to be. Like that, yeah. Good job. No, that's it with the brown. More gold.
Hey, it's more orange than
And I got some different kinds of gold and different kinds of brown.
I'll mix it.
So the texture is different.
Can I mix it?
Yes, you can mix it.
This?
Yes, mix it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some food coloring. Just a few drops. So you're going to do the brown and you're going to do the gold.
In where? This one?
In here. Yeah, the food coloring. Okay, 2 drops of each. Mix it with your spoons. Mix it with your spoons. Do you like the color? Ooh, look at the gold. Wow, that's a nice color. Now we're going to add the bees to the glue mixture. So take a little bit of bees and throw them in there.
Not in this one, that one.
No, in that one, in the glue.
So should I mix?
Yeah, continue mixing. Now you're going to pour the container of the glue mixture into the water and the borax solution. So add that here.
And then we gotta mix it. Yeah, mix it.
Maybe I need to add a little bit more of the activator. Okay, mix. More glue, yeah. So you just play with the ingredients.
Trying to figure out what's the right amount for the slime.
Okay, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's getting better.
Is it getting better?
We have to wait 30 seconds and see what happens.
Oh yeah, it's working.
Yeah, it's starting to work now.
Yeah. As you can see, the glitter's getting to the top.
Oh, right. Let's continue a little bit more of the glue.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Should I get more of the slime activator?
Yeah. Just a little, not much, because it's working.
Oh, it's starting to work now.
No, can I pull it out?
Right?
Yep, yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. If you do it like this, you can see it.
Continue mixing. I like the color. Okay. Kai, show us the slime. It's actually happening. Look at the slime.
This
And
is
all the
hard.
bees inside. Oh my god, that's so nice. You want to show it to the camera?
Yeah, give me a
How
second.
it's getting harder and harder? Whoa.
It's the bubble.
Nice.
Wait, I see liquid activator.
So the trick is, if it has too much water in it, then just add more of the liquid activator. And you can also get the activator in a powder, but liquid is safer and it has scents to it. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? What scent does it have?
Like, I would say foamy. I don't know how to explain.
What does it smell like? Apples, right, because that's what I got for Rosh Hashanah. We are going to move all the slime itself to the dry ball.
Only this one?
Yeah, only the slime.
I'll
So
try.
move it here.
Dang it.
Pull out the honey slime mixture from the container and add it to the dried plastic container. Right? It will be very sticky, as you can tell.
Eh.
It is, right?
Yes, very.
Okay.
There's more in the thing. Here. Okay, I think that's it.
Now, our slime is ready. And I'm going to show you how it looks. And we're going to pour it into the clear container. Can you help me pour it inside?
And done.
Done?
So now,
Let's get the bees.
now what you want to do is you want to seal it with air so it hardens up inside. And then for about, I would say 30 minutes, it would be ready and you could play with it.
Oh my god.
Okay, seal it up. And now you have your slime.
Let me show you the slime. This is our honey bee slime. It has bees in it. It has bees in it floating. And it has glitter. I'm gonna get closer to the camera. You see? And you can see the glitter and the bees inside. See the bees? Let it dry. That was a fun activity, right?
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye and happy Rosh Hashanah, everybody.
Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Maya. to do this activity outside because it's so messy.